I'm just recording because I know I heard something big over there. You know, I'm old enough now to realise that being out in the scrub by myself is just, you know, virtually what I'm trying to say is this is how every horror movie starts. Young, vulnerable, really good looking young man out in the scrubs by himself. That's a horror film. There's been some beavers here, eh? Or what? Since when do we have beavers? Trying to block off the dam. Nah, I'm just messing with you. Very uncomfortable to walk on water. Walk in water. Might have to go get them scuba diving flops for my adventures. You know, those big flippers? Imagine that. Imagine me. Imagine you run into danger and you got those flippers on. Run. Full blown sprint with flippers. Like, if that was me and I was trying to attack someone and there's, you know, it's just a local fella out in the little river and he's wearing flip-flops and sprinting, I think I'd be a little bit more scared of him, to be honest. Like, wouldn't you? So I'm not going near that fella. That's weird. Just because of that fact, I'm gonna start wearing flip-flops or them big flippers. You just never know what's around the corner. And that's the same in life. You just do not know what's around the corner, man. That's the beauty of life. God can take something out of your life that you never thought were possible. Then God can put something in your life that you never thought possible.